Thank you for attending today's presentation. My name is DeAndre Jones and I am the Senior Consultant at Blueprint Consulting. Today I will be introducing to you the importance of web analytics and why Revolt needs it in order to optimize its online marketing strategy. I know you all have heard of the term web analytics and the myths associated with it. Before I introduce to you how web analytics can help you, I must debunk the myths that many have associated with web analytics. After you are comfortable with the term, we'll find out how web analytics is an essential investment to an online marketing strategy. Then we'll take a look at Revolt TV's website core business and its website's objectives based on our assumptions. Next, I will illustrate to you how implementing a web analytics solution will improve your online marketing strategy, and then close out on illustrating why Blueprint Consulting is the best agency for you. Let's get started. There are 5 myths associated with web analytics. The first myth is web analytics is all about the numbers. That myth is far from the truth. Web analytics is the story behind the numbers. What stories are the numbers telling? Myth 2, web analytics is hard and formed. Not even. Web analytics implies what you already know. Myth 3, web analytics is all about software. That's not the case either. 90% of web analytics is all about giving meaning to the information that the software provides, and the other 10% is applying or is learning the keystrokes of the software. Myth 4, analytics is objective. Analytics is not objective, it is subjective. The same numbers tell different stories depending on the industry and the company. The myth associated with web analytics is it's only for people who use the left side of their brain, meaning people who are more logical and not analytical. Since you're doing detective work to figure out what those numbers mean, you'll have to be very creative in your responses. So web analytics are for creative and analytical, logical people. Now that we understand the myth, what exactly is web analytics? Web analytics allows the user to gain deeper and actionable insight that would enable you to dramatically improve your website. Web analytics brings valuable information about your website's traffic and its sources, and clearly shows what is and what isn't working on your website. You have the ability to collect internet data related to each visitor on your site, provide reports on key online metrics that allows you to analyze and track progress over time. In short, web analytics basically allows you to continually optimize your website. Now that you understand a little of what web analytics is all about, is it an essential investment for your website? The answer is yes. The reason why web analytics is an essential investment is because of the in-depth information it's able to gather from your website. There are 3 areas that are of value in terms of optimizing your website: the site's audience, the traffic sources, and the site's content. Web analytics provides data on the site's audience. How many times that the visitors visit the site? Who's new? Who's returning? The average time a visitor spent on the site. Web analytics also provides reports on the site's traffic sources. How did the visitor hear about your site? Was it from a campaign that you created? Was it direct? Was it from a referring site, or was it an organic search? This information allows your marketing strategy or online marketing strategy to be cost effective. It allows you to spend the money in the right places. The campaign is working, you put more of your budget to what's working. And web analytics provides you that information to illustrate what is working. Lastly, web analytics provides analysis on the site's content. It gives you the top performing landing page, the top exiting page, your bounce rate, time visitors spend on each page, and the keywords the visitors are searching on your website. As you can see, web analytics allows a company to optimize their website and gives the owner or the company the best opportunity to increase their return on investment. Now that you understand the value of web analytics, let's take a look at your company, Revolt TV. Revolt TV's core business. Revolt basically sells the channels to channel subscribers. You're selling the programs that your channel offers, and you're also selling ad space to advertisers and companies alike. After reviewing your website, here are some of the objectives that we have identified on your website. You're looking to increase subscription rate for your newsletter. You want the visitors to watch videos. You want them to sign up to watch Revolt Live online. Of course, you are selling your channel. You want to You want visitors to buy the channel online. You want to inform your visitors of the latest news in music and in urban culture. You want to engage with audience on social media, and you're selling ad space to advertisers, and you want users to be able to search for content that they're looking for. Now, how can an analytic solution help with your objectives? Analytic solutions can help by increasing your site's conversion rates, and your website objectives were to increase your subscription rate to your newsletter, increase orders of Revolt TV, and to sell ad space. And Web Analytics can help you increase your overall conversion rates of those 3 areas. It also can improve your landing page performance. It can decrease the bounce rate, so how fast people are coming to your site and then leaving. It can decrease that time. It also can diagnose areas of weakness on your site. What are efficient areas of your site and what are just not working for your site. It can pinpoint the strengths of your site. It also can identify new traffic versus old traffic, who's a returning visitor, who's a new visitor, and it can determine which marketing campaign is bringing you the most visitors to your site. That way you can specialize in focusing on what campaign to strengthen and what campaign to weaken. And lastly, it allows you to analyze the amount of time visitors are spending on your site before they are converting and buying or purchasing your channel. Now, I've just illustrated to you how Web Analytics will help you improve your site. Here's why you should choose Blueprint Consulting to be your web analytic firm to help optimize and overall strengthen your website. You should choose Blueprint Consulting because we offer scalable and real-time suites of analytic solutions, including visitor data, online advertising data, and online video measurements. We also offer global distributed tracking codes to monitor real-time site traffic data, provide industry-leading heat maps, and offer known user tagging to help site owners personalize marketing analytics. And lastly, we've worked with over 50 of the top Fortune 500 companies and have a very stellar track record.